Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this. It is a Triumph Speedmaster 1200. So a beautiful bike is this one. It is a 2020 on a 70 plate, done 3,380 miles from new. It's got the backrest. One of the biggest things is this one's got the front and back comfort seats on there, so they're a massive upgrade. It's got the Triumph heated grips fitted to this one as well. But really nice spec. They do come with that LED daytime running light on there as well, and they do also come with cruise control and power modes, so they're quite a decent spec on these. Use that same 1200 motor that you see in the Upper Bonneville range, but really mega bike. I've had a couple of these now, and they've all sold pretty fast. This one's got the SW Motec bags on there, and it's also got the engine bars at the front as well. So it's a super cool thing. It sounds fantastic, and if you do want it, give us a call or pop down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.